Hi guys, today I'll show you how to create vibrant layered text effect in Photoshop. It's really eye-catching and it almost pops off the screen. Click on a new file, set dimensions the same as mine, click T to create a text, then click on the canvas, then click Ctrl A to select entire text. You can then type your desired text, turn your caps lock on for capital letters. Click Ctrl and A again to select the entire text, then change the color to purple, set font to Pacifico and adjust the size. Press Ctrl T to center and position your text. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the text layer. Then change text color to light blue. Click on the Move tool to nudge the new layer, then click left arrow 7 times and 7 times upper arrow using the arrow keys. Press Ctrl J to duplicate your layer again, then T to go to text layer, and change text color. Use Move tool to nudge it 7 times left and 7 times up. Repeat this process, changing the color in this order: gold, pink, dark gray, purple, light blue, gold and pink. Now click on the last text layer, then go to Bevel and Emboss, Set Style, Inner Bevel, Technique Smooth, Depth 100, Direction Up, Size 5, Angle 90 degrees, Global Light On, and Altitude 30. Set Highlight Mode to Screen, White, Opacity 50%, then Shadow Mode to Multiply, Gold, and Opacity 30%. Go to Inner Shadow, now set Blend Mode to Multiply, Gold, Opacity 40%, Angle 90 degrees, Distance 3, and Size 5. Now scroll to the bottom text layer, then apply Drop Shadow, set Blend Mode to Multiply, Black, Opacity 50%, Angle 90 degree, Global Light On, Distance 15, Spread 5, and Size 8. Above the top text layer, create a new layer, Ctrl+N or plus icon, then right click on it and create clipping mask. Now select the brush tool B and change swatch color to yellow. You can turn caps lock off now and use brackets to adjust brush size. Paint yellow onto the text. Next step, you can change swatch color to light blue and paint over the text. Now change swatch color to purple to add the final color layer. If needed, add a layer mask to correct any areas, use black brush to erase and white brush to reveal. Hold Ctrl and left-click all text layers. Press Ctrl G to group them. You can click and rename the group. Now click on the background layer, drag in the grid line texture, set opacity to 17%. It's available for free on my DeviantArt account, so you can download it from there. Create a new layer below grid layer, Ctrl+N, Edit, Fill, choose color, pick a dark almost black shade. Now create another new layer above the grid texture, Ctrl N or click the plus icon. Select brush tool B, choose light blue color and paint a soft glowing background behind the text. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you had fun creating this.